Hi. The Uniform Civil Code UCC in Uttarakhand has gained significant attention as an important step towards ensuring equality and uniformity in personal laws. The UCC aims to replace religion-specific laws with a common legal framework governing marriages, divorce, inheritance, adoption, and maintenance for all citizens, irrespective of their religion. It is rooted in the constitutional directive under the Article 44, which encourages the state to implement such a code to promote national integration and equality. Uttarakhand, under the leadership of its government, Chief Minister Mr. Dhami became one of the first states to take the concrete steps towards the implementation of UCC. In 2022, the state announced formation of a committee to examine feasibility of this UCC code under the chairmanship of retired Justice of Supreme Court of India. They consulted all the stakeholders and understood their observations and their objections. To push for UCC Uttarakhand, it is driven by the state's diverse demographic makeup and the need for a unified legal framework to ensure justice and gender equality. Proponents argue that UCC would eliminate discrimination based on the personal laws, particularly in the matters like inheritance and marriage. However, critics emphasize the need to balance uniformity with cultural and religious diversity, warning against potential social discord. The UCC debate in Uttarakhand reflects broader national discussion about the balancing secularism, equality, and diversity, making it a significant step in shaping India's legal and social landscape. The state's progress on this front could serve as a model for other regions too. So, my dear friend, the UCC has been implemented in the state Uttarakhand under the Chief Ministership of Mr. Dhami, Pushkar Singh Dhami, and this is, I think, having many pros and cons. Many people applaud this decision, and some of the sections of the society have certain objections too. Let us see how it works and how one nation, one tax like GST has been implemented. Similarly, one nation, one civil law also takes place or not. Let us see the future, because for criminal procedure in India there is a common law, that is criminal procedure CRPC, for all the citizens of India, irrespective of their religion, irrespective of their faith, irrespective of their anything. So there is a one nation, one criminal law for all citizens of India. Similarly, UCC has been implemented to promote the equality of all citizens in India. There should be a unified civil code. So this is the latest development, current affairs of India. Okay.